Welcome back on my channel. We're still working with dataset from Walmart, and today we'll try to see the biggest sales with the biggest weekly sales with date and with store. And to achieve it, let's see about the macro here. We're starting with set of variables, and there we have some already known. So the WSS worksheet, last row to see how many rows do we have in the data. Top sales, because we would like to see top 5. So top sales as a string, sales data as a variant. We will have two loops, so we see G and J as long. Top sales array as variant, because we would like to see store, date, and sales. Then temporal array to sort the data, and the last thing will be message box with message as a string. So let's start with code. Define the worksheet. This workbook, sheet 1, the name is the same as we have from Kaggle. Last row, we would like to check how many rows do we have. So we are using end Excel up with row to see how many do we have in our data set. Then we started with sales date. So sales date will be from column A to column C. In A we have store, in B we have date, and in C we have sales weekly. And the value. So that this will be the value for sales date. And then we have the two loops. So first of all, we are using low bound and upper bound, and then we are using the same for sales data. So we're doing it here to see and to filter the data descending and descending under with bubble sorts. And we have 3 columns and with if. So basically this is the logic for us. So we are sorting the data here to see top 5. The next thing is collect the top 5 results. So we have 3 let's say top 5 cells array, and in this array we have a column which we would like to see as a final output, right? So we have store as first, date as second because it's B column, and in third we have sales data, and then we're making like for each E starting from 1 to 5, then next E. So this is something we are checking in our sorted data, standing sorted data. The last thing, there will be the message box. So we are creating message book here. We're starting with top 5 weekly sales, then it will be the next row, and then we are once again have for E loop, and the message box will be look like store, then sales, then the date and the date, sales, the number of the sales with these parameters. So we have like 2 values after the dot, and this will be the message box final. So message box, top 5 sales, and the information. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.